What's up guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be working in the garage. So today is the day where I decided that I have enough time to tackle all of the vapor barrier on this ceiling. So we have that all ready right here. I went to Home Depot, got some vapor barrier, got some tuck tape, got staples, got a new staple gun. So we will be redoing pretty much whatever needs to be redone and then continuing whatever I didn't finish last year. And also Jason is coming by. He's gonna be helping me do all this because it is a two-man job. So what I gotta do right now is I gotta take the EG, move it out of the garage. Also the SI, it doesn't run, so I'm thinking I don't know, I might put it in the middle actually where the vapor barrier is pretty good, so somewhere around here. So I might just leave the car somewhere over here so I can just pretty much work around it. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're going to be getting into today. I did clean up all the garbage. Everything that needed to be organized is all here in a nice pile, waiting for me to take care of that later on today. I do got to clean up all these leaves, and I just want to get everything ready and prepped. I also did talk to a electrician so to get some heat in here. So he did come by and he did check out what needs to be done. So I'm still waiting on a quote from him so we can actually get the heater somewhere over here. Once all of this is done, we can finally get some heat in here. It'll be comfortable. We can do work and content and filming and all that kind of stuff. So that's great. We are getting a move on things here. So yeah, I'm gonna get to moving all of this out of here. First off, I do want to clean up a little bit over here, then we'll move the cars out. Jason is on his way, so by the time he gets here, we can start knocking all of this out. Another thing that I'm trying to figure out is, like I told you guys before, there's a couple puddles here, so I might just make like a little pinhole to let all the water out and then just reseal it. I'm not even worried about the roof. We'll worry about that another time. Right now I just want to get this thing all sealed off so we can get some heat in here and start doing some work over the winter. So I got all my stuff laid out here. Gonna get to cleaning, moving the cars, getting everything ready, and then we're gonna start it. All right, everything is clean. Let's move the cars. This thing warm up a little bit. Haven't started it in a while, and now the biggest pain in the ass is moving this big guy right here. So we gotta get this guy somewhere in the middle over here. So let's do that. All right, so we got the 8th gen moved out of the way. Jason came by like I told you guys, and we're just getting the water out. So we made a hole, getting rid of all the puddles. There's probably 1 or 2 more we're gonna get to, and then we're gonna start taping all of this off. Some of it got loose, so we're gonna tape it all off and then continue the border, and then we're gonna do that area right there. So we'll see how that goes. So we were getting this layer on. Everything was going good. We started stapling everything up. And then the stapler that I bought, where is the old one? Did I throw it against the floor already? Yes. Yeah. So I got this cheap $17 one and it stopped working. So we had to go to Home Depot and we got a DeWalt one. How's it going? Good?
It's good, man.
Yeah?
It's much better than that one.
Yeah.
It's automatically go.
Yeah, you see? That's what happens, guys, when you go and buy cheap stuff. In any case, parts, tools, whatever it is. And then look at that. Had to buy a crap load of staples too. But yeah, now we got the DeWalt one. So we should be good. We're gonna continue. Alright, so far so good. We got this all stapled. What we gotta do is we're gonna staple it. I know you guys can't see right now. We're gonna open the door. There's a piece of wood and we're gonna actually staple that into there. Right now we have some foam going. We got some foam also from Home Depot. We're gonna be putting it right there in that gap there. Fill that gap, man.
Yeah. Coming from that side.
Again, this is the cheapest one, right?
Yeah. No way.
You see? We cheaped out again. And then we have to deal with this shit again. Yeah, but other than that, we're gonna seal all of the gaps here. And then this is that wood piece trim that we're gonna staple it to. And then we're gonna have this whole top piece all sealed off. So it's getting there. Then we have this little square here left, and then the border going all around. Here I did put some foam already last year, so this foam is good. I went and stapled that as well. So we're just gonna go with the tuck tape with the red one and just go all around the loose ends. And then we should be good. So let's continue. Alright guys, so got it all knocked out. It is all sealed 110%. Got all the little puddles out. Now it's looking amazing. Also did go all the way in behind here and then stapled it, taped it so no air going in here. Also did some foam wherever I could. So now it's looking really good. Really happy that it turned out great. Finally got this out of the way, knocked out. Now, like I said, I'm still waiting on the electrician to come by and figure out some wiring and a heater for this garage. So once he gets back to me, we're gonna get this installed right away, and then we'll finally have some heat in here. The ceiling is finally all done. It's all sealed off. So yeah, the garage reno is halfway there. Got the ceiling knocked out, waiting for the heater. Once that comes in, we are good to go. So now I can actually go and put the SI all the way to the wall like I was planning before. Also put the EG up against the SI all the way, and then I can fit the third car in here. I might put the CLS in here, or I might put the M37, but regardless, we're gonna have 3 cars in the garage and free up some space in the driveway, because every time I gotta go somewhere or something like that, I gotta always end up moving like 2-3 cars out of the way, so we can finally get this all organized. So I'm really happy Jason came by and we knocked this thing out, and we're almost good to go for the winter, guys. I'm super happy on that. Gonna get some heat in here and then we'll be good to go. So that'll pretty much do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.